Hi traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to download historical data in MT4 or MT5. Okay, now historical data allows traders to view past price movements on their charts. So this data can be useful for analyzing market behavior, studying trends and reviewing previous market conditions, right? MT4 and MT5 allow you to download historical data directly within the platform. The first step is to open your history center. We're going to view our terminal. You go to your account history. Okay, so okay, we're going to go to the tools, right? Just go to tools, because now what we're going to do is download, right? So just go to tools, you go to history center. It's not account history, okay? My bad. Okay, so you just go to history center. Once you've gone to history center, then you choose the currency pair. Okay, you choose the currency pair. So we already have some trades on gold, so we're just going to look for gold. All right, so now once you choose the currency pair, you're going to also see different time frames, right? So you select the time frame that you want. Okay, select the particular time frame that you want. You can see we have different time frames. So you select the time frames that you want. Okay, selecting the time frame determines the type of historical data that you will download. So after selecting the time frame, you just click on the download button, right? You confirm the prompt if it appears. Okay, new data for a symbol. Okay, let's try this out. Let's see, what time frame have we been on? Okay, let's so we're just going to try another currency pair. All right, so you can see the download has begun. Okay, I just had to go try another currency pair. Okay, so it's a very simple process. Okay, so once you have clicked the download and you confirm the prompt, the platform will begin downloading available historical price data for that instrument and time frame. All right, so after downloading the data, you can just open the chart for that instrument, scroll backward on the chart to view the extended historical data. Your chart will now display more historical price information. Now a quick recap for you. To download historical data in MT4 and MT5, you can just simply press your F2 button actually, or you can go through the process of tools, historical center. Either way works. Okay, then you select your currency pair. I'm going to go to Forex. I'm just going to go to the currency pair that I had executed a trade on. All right, then you select a time frame. Okay, and then you click on download. So super easy. Historical data allows traders to study past market behavior directly on their charts. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.